Information and Communication Technology or ICT is highly beneficial for us as students. It enhances learning by providing tools like PowerPoint for creating engaging presentation, which help understanding and retaining complex concepts. ICT also offers platforms for designing interactive quizzes, enabling effective self-assessment and feedback. Additionally, it facilitates access to a wealth or online resources and collaborative tools, promoting active learning and teamwork. With ICT, students can develop essential digital literacy skills, preparing them for future academic and professional environments. Overall, ICT fosters a dynamic and interactive educational experience, making learning more efficient and enjoyable.
Furthermore, ICT has profoundly transformed various aspects of daily life, like communication has been revolutionized, enabling instant connectivity through social media, messaging apps and video calls, fostering global interaction and relationships. Healthcare has seen advancement with telemedicine, electronic health records, and health apps, improving patients' care and accessibility. Another is public services has become more efficient through e-government initiatives, facilitating online access to service and information. The ICT era has also influenced transportation with innovation like GPS navigations, like ride-sharing apps and smart traffic management system, and enhancing mobility and convenience.
Hello guys! Welcome sa ating live selling sa bags natin, and also meron din tayong mga beauty products. And meron din tayong mga bagong dumating na damit. So, eto. Mag-start tayo sa bag. So, mine pink. For 450, mine pink. So, okay. Yours na po. Magkano ka? Pa-screenshot na lang po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you, Ma'am Danica. So, eto. Meron tayo dito mga beauty products. So, mine O2O and 15. And also, meron din tayong O2O and 17. So, sa mga nagmamain po dyan, pag-PM ako. So, okay, Sir Gerald. Yours na po ang O2O M17. Pag-screenshot na lang po. Thank you! So, ito ang ating next product is ang double lining t-shirt natin. So, pamain na lang po ako ng double lining. Code is brown. Pamain na lang po, brown. Code is brown. So, okay, Mr. Gerald. Yours na po. Thank you sa pagmain. So, mag-screenshot na lang po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, sa all-miners ko, pag-PM na lang po ako, and para ma-share ko na po ito tomorrow. Thank you guys! Sa susunod na live ulit!
Good day everyone, my name is Jack Fernandez. So this is my daily life in Living ICT era. So every time I like to play online games because we can make friends to others even if they are far to us, and then we can develop our skills. No? Online games is not just only an online games, because in the online games have become an integral part of modern society, because it influencing people, how people entertain themselves, connect with others, and develop skills. Despite concerning about potential negative effects, the transformative influence of online games cannot be overlooked. By embracing responsible gaming practices, fostering inclusive communities, and leveraging the educational potential of games, we can harness the power of online gaming for positive social, cultural, and economic change.
Lego ya!
Loy, isa ba yun? Walang baka plato. Dahil pa yung plato.
Sorry na, yalpi tayo!
Oh, tingin-tingin mo dyan. Gusto mo? Look, asa ka. Papasok ba si Man?
Jari 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 jari